Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'll be doing an abstract nail design. I hope you guys enjoy. So I got a bunch of new things from AliExpress and eBay and I'm so excited to try it. I got these stickers from Wish and a whole bunch of other stuff. So today I'll be using a nail form, I believe it's called, and I'll be using Polygel to make this nail design. It'll be in the color clear. And sorry for the horrible camera quality. I was doing it on the floor and the camera was shaking and it wasn't zoomed in. It was just a trial and error moment. So yeah, I got that Polygel from, I believe, Wish, which I really like it, but the only problem with it is that if you put a thin layer and then you try to take the dew form, it doesn't work, which kind of was sad. So then I used another Polygel, which you see in a few clips, from eBay, and on top so that the nail could be nice and thick, you know, make that sound. And then I tried putting another coat of it, but it was still so thin. And that's the one I got from eBay. That's much more thicker. And even when you see it, look at the application, how much more thicker it is. It just made the nail so much more thicker and nicer. After I put that on top because I was fed up. And I'm just testing it out and I'm much more happy with it. So now I'm taking off the dew form. And I'm using this nail clip. I got it from AliExpress, and this nail file I took from my mom. It's pretty good. I don't know where she bought it from, but it always leaves me satisfied. And I think it's $180. I think it's the rough nail file because I don't have a drill as of yet, but coming soon. Oh, look at the shape. Yeah, I would never do this video on the floor again. Hahaha. And same thing, just another nail file. Oh, wow. And now I'll be using like a baby blue color from Jealous. I got that off of AliExpress. And my shipment came in 4 months later due to COVID. I didn't really like this gel polish compared to the one I got on eBay. It took a lot of application for it to go on, and I was like, what? So as you can see, one coat was really thin. But I think I got that for $1.59, so it wasn't horribly bad compared to other gel nail polish that went for like $8-9. So I'm applying another top coat. And I think after the second or third coat of this polish, it was nice and like the color that you saw, nice baby blue. But I did like the brush. The brush was pretty nice of the gel polish, so can't complain. It got all over the nail really nicely. Fingers look so long. And now I'm using these stickers I got from Wish.com, and I really like them. They're so cool, but I didn't know how to like make a design. I was like, let me just try something. So right now I'm just freestyling it, and I'm using the gel polish that I got from eBay that was $2.50 again, which I really adore. I haven't bought any new one, but I need to. And yeah, sorry you guys can't see that, but it's kind of like an abstract face, and I'm just coloring it in. Yeah, please subscribe to my channel. All the subscribers would be so nice, and please remember to like and subscribe and leave any of your comments down below. I really do appreciate them and take them into account. Oh yeah, and please give me new ideas for nail designs. I've been looking to Instagram for inspiration. And yeah, now I put another sticker. It's kind of like the heartbeat one, which I really liked. And then I'm just doing a little design around it. Basically, it looks like that. I put little dots to make it look cute. And again, you guys can't see what I'm putting on my finger, but it's like a box with an abstract face. Maybe at the ending you'll see it, but for now you won't. Oh, you kind of can't see it. Same thing, I'm just coloring it in with the purple. I'm so sorry you guys can't see what I'm doing. I thought the camera wasn't focused the whole time. And I'm just putting stripes on one nail. I really do like that brush that I bought. It was simple to use and it took on the nail polish quite easily. And this kind of gave me like cotton candy vibes. Like I'm making cotton candy nails. They're really cute. And little polka dots on my pinky. And now I'll be using the gelish top coat. But first I'll be putting the gems on to add a little bit more design and more sparkle to the nails. Oh, now you can see them. Now I'm using the gelish top coat. It had that layer of like, it was like sticky kind of oily, and I was like, no. So then I switched and used my Mes Fées gel polish top coat. That once you put it on, it stays nice and smooth. $2.50 again, and you don't need to like use acetone to wipe off a beautiful shine. Love them. So now I'm just gonna add my cuticle oil like I usually do. Our eyes will be in the description box below if you want to buy any of them with a link with it. I really love these nails. I think they want to call them Candyland nails. Or cotton candy. We'll see. But yeah, guys, remember to leave a comment and subscribe. Thanks. Thanks again, and I hope to see you in the next video. Bye.